Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a quick and easy Japanese dish called boiled firefly squid or Hotaru-ika no Nimono. Firefly squid, known as a Hotaru-ika in Japanese, are small bioluminescent squid found in western Pacific Ocean. They are most commonly caught off the coast of Japan, especially in the Toyama Bay area. These tiny squid are typically around 3 to 5 centimeters in length and are known for their delicate, sweet flavor. Firefly squid are in season during the spring month, particularly from March to June. Now, let's dive into the recipe! Remove the eye from the firefly squid as they can be tough. They should come off easily. In a small pot, combine the sake, sugar, and soy sauce. Adjust the amount according to the quantity of firefly squid you are using. When the mixture starts to boil, add the firefly squid. Stir and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and you're done! This dish comes together in just a few minutes. The key is to cook the squid quickly. Be careful not to overcook them, as this can cause the squid to shrink and become tough, and the flavor may become too strong. And there you have it, a simple and flavorful dish featuring the delicate firefly squid. This recipe is perfect as a side dish or a tasty appetizer to enjoy with drink. The sweet and savory flavors of the sauce complement the tender squid perfectly. I hope you enjoyed learning about firefly squid and this easy recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy to follow Japanese recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!